pressed play just to kill a minute. Walked away, then I drifted in it. Every story felt like proof of life, like they pulled back the curtain on my quiet mind. I used to keep an eye on headlines, scrolling side, then just move on by. Now I'm pausing when I scroll too fast, hearing voices from the future and the buried past. You said, keep a promise to the you were. Talk slow, listen first. Now the room feels bigger when I'm all alone. Every word turn a hallway into a home. It's giving new eyes, new life. Same street, brand new side. Now I keep your questions tucked inside my phone. Keep your fingers crossed when I walk unknown. It's giving brave hearts, soft hands. Change my mind, now my plans. Every time I hit play, I feel less alone. Keep your fingers crossed, I'm finding my own. You laughed low, said I'll keep a secret. All the fears that you don't dare speak, yeah. Felt seen through a screen and a satellite. Like the dark in my chest met a porch light. Now I keep an eye on tiny things. How a stranger talks, how a bus bell rings. Connections in the corners that I used to miss. You taught me how to turn wonder into practice. You said keep a promise that you'll stay awake to the way small changes start quakes. Now my quiet days hum with another voice, asking who I am under all that noise. It's giving new eyes, new light. Same street, brand new side. Now I keep your questions tucked inside my phone. Keep your fingers crossed when I walk unknown. It's giving brave hearts, soft hands. Change my mind, now my plans. Every time I hit play, I feel less alone. Keep your fingers crossed, I'm finding my own. Keep a promise, keep a secret. Drop a night on quiet little feelings. Keep a promise, keep a secret. Drop a night on quiet little feelings. Keep a promise, keep a secret. Keep an eye on the quiet little feelings. Keep your fingers crossed when it all feels lost. Hit play once more, then the spell gets tossed. It's giving, maybe it's giving, might. It's giving, you're gonna be alright. It's giving new eyes, new light. Same street, brand new side. Now I keep your questions tucked inside my phone. Keep your fingers crossed when I walk unknown. It's giving brave hearts, soft hands. Change my mind, not my plans. Every time I hit play, I feel less alone. Keep your fingers crossed, I'm writing my own.